I've been told that this is the closest thing you're going to find in the UK to an alpine pass. So we just had to come and check it out. It's going to be a bumpy ride. It's going to be lots of steep inclines and tight bends. Let's see how Florence performs. Behind those cyclists, and all we can smell now is clutch. I love Scott. He is absolutely relentless. Since we've been in Scotland, there's just been so many sights to capture that this boy has literally not stopped. He's always out with the camera or with the drone, which is awesome because it means we've got some great footage for our vlogs. Right now, here he is. He's outside with his Spark, giving it a fly. This is how Scott is to be found in Scotland. He's got a little time lapse going on over there. Whilst flying his drone, he's fully multitasking. And meanwhile, I've got our Sunday roast happening. Give you a little sneak. We got roast potatoes, we got chicken, we got pigs in blankets, we got stuffing. Got some veggies waiting to go on. And all the while, I'm just chilling with my G&T and a beautiful view.
Ho 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 ho! My beauty.
You sounded like Santa Claus then.
I am Santa Claus.
It's not Christmas this time. But today is like Christmas because it's Easter, and that's one of Jesus's, I want to say special days, but it was a really great day in the life of Jesus. Jesus rose one day this weekend.
Anyway.
What a night we've just had. It was blowing an absolute gale out there last night, and we've discovered that the Propex does not like strong winds. So when there's strong winds, the Propex cuts out. It's something to do with the wind blowing into the exhaust. I don't know the ins and outs of it. A bit of Googling this morning has revealed that apparently that's quite common with Propex. So bless Scott, he went out 3 o'clock in the morning to readjust the exhaust pipe to try and take it out of the wind, and the Propex started working for a short while before the wind changed and it cut out again. He went out again at 6 and did the same thing before eventually moving the van. Got the Propex running again probably about 7. So it was a really cold night, and this morning we woke up and there was ice on the back windows where our heads were, where we were sleeping. So have not slept well at all. Very, very broken sleep, and with the strong winds as well, it was pretty noisy. So yeah, we're just kind of warming up this morning, feeling a bit tired, but lovely view out the back. Winds are still pretty strong out there. It's settled a bit. I think we're going to need to sort of head down to lower ground now, as there is some snow forecast. So we'll see where we end up today.
So we have a slight serious problem, not with Florence, but with Ellie.
I needed a cake stop.
She needed a cake stop. And as you can see, that was a full tray about 2 minutes ago. As you can see, Ellie likes cake.
I really love cake.
More than me?
I really love cake.
It's fact, no. She loves cake more than she loves me. Right, okay. I need some cake then.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than the mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late. falls across the land, and your lover's reaching you the hand. Don't be late, my dear.
Good morning to a very wet Scotland. We are just parked up on a little estuary. I don't know the name of it. All I know is there's a load of oil rigs just out in the estuary. Inverness is about 15 miles that way, so we're going to head over to Inverness, grab a shower, stock up on supplies, get some fill up the LPG, petrol, water, and then we're going to head to the Cairngorms, which there's supposed to be snow on them hills or mountains, so we're going to head there. We're going to take it easy. We don't want to get too stuck or anything, but we are prepared. We've got winter tires, we've got some snow chains, so we will see. But all in all, it's, you know, it did promise that this week would be a bit drizzly and wet at lower ground, so if we go to higher grounds, hopefully there'll be a dusting of snow. So right, we're going to head to Inverness. Here's Ellie.
Had a nightmare morning, spilled a cup of tea all over my bed, so it's going to be one of those days, I think. Just filled up the LPG tank. Scott's just filling up the petrol now. Gonna head into Inverness, stock up on food, bottled water, and then we're gonna head for the snow.
Hello, do you do clutches? It's for a Fiat Ducato 1990 camper van.
Is it slipping?
No, well, it's,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's, you know when you ride a clutch and it's like, it's just losing power, basically. But we have kind of, it's been over the Applecross Pass and is it? So does that mean the clutch is on its way out then?
Are you local?
Bristol.
Maybe a wee nurse down the road, I think. You drive it that far, do that clutch. It could give up on you.
You reckon?
It was just a quick call to let you know the price of the clutch. So in total, you're maybe looking at about $650.
That's it. The adventure is over. Yeah. No more mountains. No more locks. No more views. No more waking up to sunrises. No more pretty pictures. That is it. The adventure is over. Scotland is done.